Is your key fob cracked or worn out? Instead of buying a whole new remote, you can quickly restore it by replacing just the case. This keyless remote cover offers a simple fix that brings back both the look and function of your key fob without hassle or extra cost. Designed to fit perfectly, this replacement case matches the exact dimensions of your original transmitter cover. That means a tight seal that keeps moisture and dirt safely away from the internal electronics, helping your key fob last longer and work reliably every time you press a button. Replacing your worn key fob cover couldn't be easier. Just pop open the new case, remove the internals from your broken one, and snap them into place. No modifications needed. One happy customer fixed their 2003 Toyota Camry remote in about 15 seconds, with no fuss or extra tools required. Before you buy, make sure this case fits your vehicle perfectly by entering your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. This step ensures you get the right fit for your exact keyless entry transmitter, avoiding any guesswork or returns. Why spend more on a full replacement when you can restore your key fob quickly and affordably? This case protects your remote while bringing back its original feel and appearance. It's a smart, convenient solution that keeps your key fob working like new. If you're tired of dealing with a cracked or worn key fob case, this replacement cover is worth a look. It's designed for easy installation, solid protection, and a seamless fit, everything you need to get your remote back in shape without breaking the bank. Try it when you're ready to fix your key fob with minimal effort and maximum results. Restore your keyless entry transmitter today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-protected, fully functional remote again.